Hi everyone, my name is Beril Tezcan and I'm a physics major from Bilkent University. In my experiment, I examined the factors that make changes in the period of single pendulum. The purpose of this experiment is to see which variables affect the period of the single pendulum. And I used two different masses, different length of strings, and different angles to release. To make this experiment, we need a weighing machine, ruler, string, scissors, a protractor, and two different objects with different weights. In first step, my aim is to measure period with two different objects. For this, I set up a system like this and used 30 cm of string and 30° for the releasing angle. I attach the objects at the end of the string and measure the time that passes for one full cycle 3 times for each object. As you can see from the results, period changes only 0.03 seconds, which is very small and caused by errors in the experiment. So we can say mass doesn't affect period of pendulum. Second step is to measure period with different length of strings. I use two strings, one is 25 cm and the other is 50. Mass of object and angle is stable for this step. As you can see, period change is more remarkable here because length of the string affects period of pendulum. So, the longer the length, the higher the period. In the last step, I changed the angles that I release the object. I used 25 cm of string and same object for each measurement. First, I released the object with 60° and measured the time. Then, I arranged the angle to 30° and measured the time again. As you can see, period change is very small again like the first step. It's only 0.02 seconds and caused by errors. So we can see here that angle also doesn't affect period. In the conclusion, only significant change we observed in period was for the length of the strings. Mass or angle doesn't affect period. If you look for the formula of the single pendulum's period, we can see T equals to 2 pi square root of L over G. We showed L changed the period, but unfortunately we're not able to show what happens if we change the gravitational constant G2. If you could, we would see that when G lowers, T would increase. And thanks for watching.